SnowPanel introduces the CryoGlacier Wall Formation Strategy, a mobile fleet of floating platforms deployed directly in front of retreating glaciers. Each unit pumps seawater into the atmosphere as Venturi-misted aerosol, seeded with ice nucleating particles. As snowfall accumulates in frigid air, it forms a rising CryoGlacier Wall, a massive buffer of artificial snow and ice that shields glacier faces from oceanic heat, restores lost albedo, and rebuilds ice mass outward toward the sea. As the CryoWall grows, snow panel platforms are repositioned seaward to maintain optimal mist distance and maximize snow deposition. It's not just intervention, it's self-replicating glacier defense. This isn't a speculative technology. It's a blueprint for restoring the Earth's lost ice, cooling the oceans, and reversing global warming. CryoGlacier, SnowPanel, climate restoration you can build today.